Stop overpaying. Brainy Buyer's head-to-head comparison mean you save. Like what you see? Subscribe and fund the fight for honest reviews.
So you're torn between the Canon portrait and travel lens kit and the Sony 28-70mm lens, huh? It's a classic photographer's dilemma. Let's break it down. The Canon kit is interesting because you get x2 lenses for the price. It's like getting a portrait artist and a landscape photographer in one package.
True, but one's a fixed 50mm f/1.8. Great for portraits, sure, but is that too specialized? Are you willing to commit to that focal length? The Sony lens, on the other hand, is a 28-70mm zoom. More versatile, definitely. Think grabbing street shots, landscapes, and even some decent close-ups without switching.
Exactly. The Canon kit is a prime and a wide angle, excelling in specific scenarios. The Sony's trying to be your everyday workhorse. What kind of shooting do you do most? That Canon 50mm f1.8 though, it's legendary for a reason. The bokeh, that creamy background blur, is amazing. And at f1.8, it practically sees in the dark. Think stunning portraits in dimly lit restaurants.
Okay, but the Sony lens has optical steady shot, its image stabilization. That's huge for handheld shooting, especially in lower light. How steady your hands after that third cup of coffee?
Right, and the Canon kit includes the EFS 10-18mm. That's ultra wide, perfect for squeezing in those massive landscapes or dramatic cityscapes. Imagine the Golden Gate Bridge, or the Eiffel Tower.
But remember, you're swapping some lenses. Is that practical when you're hiking a mountain or chasing a light in a new city? Dust can be a real issue.
The Sony lens stays put. Less hassle, fewer missed moments. But its maximum aperture is f/3.5-5.6, not as bright as that Canon 50mm. So low-light portraits won't be as impressive.
Trade-offs, convenience versus specialized performance. The Canon kit shines in specific situations, while the Sony is more adaptable.
And let's be clear, the Canon kit's STM stepping motor autofocus is smooth and quiet, which is great for video. But remember, it's designed for Canon EOS cameras.
The Sony lens is built for Sony's E-mount cameras, and it's relatively lightweight at just 1 pound. That makes a difference when you're carrying it all day. Bottom line, if you crave stunning, blurred background portraits and epic wide-angle landscapes, and you're okay with swapping lenses, the Canon kit is a fantastic value.
But if you want a single, versatile lens that can handle a wide range of situations without the fuss, the Sony is your go-to. Both are renewed lenses, so you're saving some money and being eco-conscious. Choose the lens that fits your photographic adventure. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.